Well, consumers have spoken. Megan Rybko from the Best New Product Awards joins us with some of their winners, just a handful that you'll see on grocery store and drugstore shelves now.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
So how does this work then?
Yeah, so these are all 2023 Best New Product Award winners. So brands submit their innovation each year, consumers vote, and then we announce a winner in each category. So we actually had 90 winners this year across a whole bunch of categories. So health and beauty, personal care, household, and we have some of them here today to show you.
Okay, and you've got some snacks for me.
Yes.
Let's start off there.
Yeah, so these are CheezIts Snap crackers. So for all the cheese lovers out there, and consumers really loved that they're thin and crispy. And some said that once they started eating them, they couldn't stop, so beware. How is it?
They are very good.
Really good.
I've had these before.
Yeah?
Sorry that I'm eating it, but it's part of my work.
Yeah, exactly. Super cheesy, right?
Mm-hmm, very good.
Yes. So next, kind of switching gears here, we have a product maybe for people who love cheese but can't necessarily eat it. So this is going to be Silk dairy-free shredded cheese. So
and these are pouches?
Yes, so these are pouches. It's super rich in flavor, and consumers loved that this product actually melts like real cheese, which I can actually attest to. I threw it in some scrambled eggs the other day, and I was super surprised and impressed just how well it tastes like cheese.
So do you find this in the cheese aisle then? Is it in the dairy section?
Yes, it's still in the dairy section with the cheese aisle.
Okay. I like this because we're seeing a move now away from one-use plastic and into, are these silicone?
Yeah, so these are made from reusable platinum silicone. So these are Ziploc and durables. So making mealtime super easy. You can actually freeze your leftovers so it can go in the freezer, and then you can also pop them in the oven as well. So they can withstand both hot and cold temperatures, and consumers really loved that they seal really well and they don't leak.
But you can reuse them over and over and over again.
Yes, reuse them over and over again.
Okay. We've got some, what is this here? Laundry detergent?
No, so this is actually
I'm seeing from the back.
No, this is actually Lysol laundry disinfectant.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is going to kill 99.99% of viruses and bacteria. It has no bleach, and consumers loved, like, after, maybe someone's been sick in your household, you want to throw in all your clothes, all your sheets, all your belongings,
towels,
towels, disinfect, and you're kind of good to go.
Okay, we've got about a minute left, but what's this product here?
Yeah, so this is Revlon ColorStay Skin Awaken 5-in-1 Concealer, kind of brightens and erases those dark circles under your under eyes. Consumers love that it covered their dark circles, and for those early mornings, super perfect like today.
Okay. We have Band-Aids for pimples.
Yes. So a new innovation from Band-Aid. These are Band-Aids Hydro Seal non-medicated hydrocolloid acne blemish patches. Basically, you pop them on for minimum 8 hours. They protect the pimples, they absorb liquids, and consumers love that it made their acne disappear.
Cool. Okay, and then finally, what's this?
Yes, so this is Weber Naturals high absorption turmeric curcumin with black pepper. So this is basically designed to help with anti-inflammatory and help relieves joint pain. So you just take one a day, and consumers love that it did actually work and it helped their joint pain.
Okay, so all products that are available now on shelves, and it's all, you can go back to the website. We'll get that up on our website, so that you can find out that consumers have actually tested these.
Yes,
and voted.
Consumer voted. Best New Product Awards 2023.com to shop and view the full list of winners.
Okay, we'll get that link up. Thank you, Megan.
Thank you so much.
Gotta go for another one.